It's taken hundreds of millions of years of fine-tuning to get to this. The air we breathe, the water that magically falls out of the sky, the multitude of life that shares this planet with us and upon whom we are totally dependent.
We're trying not just to talk about our relationship with nature, but the way in which people have related in nature.
Language isn't just a body of vocabulary or a set of grammatical structures. A language is a flash to the human spirit.
What connects us here is a shared spirit of adventure, a shared spirit of hope, and a shared concern for the people of our planet and for the wildlife and everything that makes it happen.
You had to be born anywhere in time. This is the time if you want to have an impact. Because what we do or what we fail to do right now will make all the difference in the world.